Okay guys, welcome. This is Ben Arkell, and this is probably going to be one of the most authentic affiliate marketing videos you've ever seen. Okay, because basically I'm on day 4 of trying to make this work. Okay, what I'm going to give you is 5 things that I've learned in the first couple days. I basically, to give some background on myself, I'm an accountant full-time. I call myself a forensic accountant. And when people ask what a forensic accountant is, I don't really know what to say, but I just think it sounds cooler than accountant, okay? So I do a forensic accounting, 8 to 5 job. I enjoy it, but I want to be my own boss. I'd like to stay home. I have 6 kids. Maybe you can see some of them back here. I want to be with them, okay? And so I also have a blog. I've been blogging for a few years, and my blog gets a couple million views a year. And in the last 6 months, I've had a lot of good income, but that income isn't really passive. You know, the more content I produce, the more money I get, but I don't always want to be producing that content. I mean, I can go to bed and, I'll get, 3 to 4,000 views a day sometimes without doing any work, but I want more income other than just ads, ad revenue. I have an email list of like 13,000 people, but this is for like a religious blog, and so I don't really target them a lot with selling affiliate stuff. Anyway, 2019 is gonna change. Something else I've done, my daughter, she's a YouTuber. She has a YouTube channel called The Piano Gal, has over 100,000 subscribers. She's got her silver play button, like 11 million views. So we've had some success in some areas, but I wanna tackle this affiliate marketing. And I basically sent an email out to all of my subscribers on this religious blog, and I said, look, I am gonna spend 2019 trying to figure out affiliate marketing, and dang it, I'm gonna do it, okay? And if anybody wants to come along on this journey, I'll let you know what I learn, give you the best tips, the best tricks. So that's where I am. I sent an email out, and I think I have 56 people who got on another email list just to learn about this, and so I already have a little bit of a group of people who want to learn. So I'm going to share 5 things that I think are super important right from the beginning, okay? And I'd love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, because one thing I'm going to be doing is I am going to be putting out content, and I'm going to be active on YouTube, and I'm going to make it happen. I'm just going to make it happen, okay? I want to shout out the name of Anthony Ambrose, because he shared a principle a few years ago, I think. Just, so many times we want to make something perfect. In this video, I was thinking, I gotta get better lights, I need to get this, I need to get that. I'm like, no, I'm just gonna start, and I'm gonna do it, okay? So he created this group called Had to Start, and I just had to start. And I'm starting with this video, not the best quality, but I know that the content of it will be very beneficial, and going forward I can make them better. I can buy better equipment and make the video look prettier. But okay, here are the 5 things that any affiliate marketer needs to know going in. And if you want to make this work, this is how you get to work, okay? And again, keeping in mind that while I do get some affiliate sales from stuff I do, I'm not a super successful affiliate salesman. But I have been successful in creating a blog with 2 million views a year, YouTube channel that has a couple million views a year. So I feel like I can transition into this arena and make money more of a priority. Okay, the first thing, and this was actually something that a really other successful YouTuber, online influencer, and affiliate marketer, Jonathan Lucas, I believe is his name, he was talking about this principle, and this is the principle, okay? Principle 1 that's important to remember in affiliate marketing is it is a marathon, okay? Now, I hate running, hate it. In the morning, I force myself to run. I run 4 laps around the track, that's it. It takes me like 3 minutes, but that's all I got, okay? I just don't enjoy it. If I had to run a marathon, if I had to run 26.2 miles, I could do it. I never would choose to do it, because I know the training that's involved and the pain, and it's a slow process training, and I would never choose to do it, but I could, okay? And I think with affiliate marketing, it's something that anybody can do if you do the work. And if you put your mind to it, this is probably different, is even if I didn't want to run a marathon, I probably could. I think you need to have that desire to be successful in affiliate marketing, and in the event when things aren't working, you got to push through the hard times and just keep going. So think of affiliate marketing as a marathon. You put in the work, you keep being consistent day after day after day, and this is what I saw with my blog and with our daughter's YouTube channel. You just keep pumping out content, pumping it out. You will eventually achieve success. Now, with that said, one of the things I'll talk about later is kind of being a little more strategic, because that's something I feel like I could do better with on this. Okay, second tip. This is super, super important. And again, one that some people have trouble with is be a creator, not a consumer. It's really easy to watch all these YouTube videos, all these trainings, to just gather all this material, and it's just like it gets to a point where you're kind of paralyzed, okay? But you need to get to a point. I was sitting at my computer tonight thinking, I need to stop listening to this training. I need to get up, and I'm recording this video, okay? Because this is the first step. Nothing will happen if I just continue consuming. I need to create, so be a creator, whether that be YouTube videos, whether that be Facebook ads, whether that be a blog post, whether that be optimizing content you already have with affiliate links, whether it be building a funnel. You need to create, okay? That's the second tip. Third one I kind of touched on before, and it kind of ties in with this, but it's just, and maybe this should have been before, but you got to start. You got to take that first step, and typically it's doing something that's uncomfortable, standing in front of a camera, recording a video, or maybe publishing that video, or maybe creating that funnel and sharing it with somebody and asking for a critique. You just got to start. You got to do something. Again, something Jonathan Lucas said. He said, whatever you think you need to do, he said, double it. He said, put the pedal to the metal, just double your efforts. That's one of the things. He's been doing affiliate marketing for about 3 years, and he's gonna make $1 million in sales this year. And he was saying, looking back, he wished he would have doubled his efforts. So if he had the goal to create 2 videos, he wishes he had done 4. If he had a goal to sign up 5 affiliates in a week, he wished he'd pushed for 10, okay? So you gotta start, and then just double those efforts. Now, the fourth thing I'm gonna mention, you can be paralyzed, and I kind of touched on this earlier. You can be paralyzed with information overload, okay? Let me tell you what I did. Again, 3 days ago, I sent out this email to all my contacts. I said, look, 2019 is gonna be an amazing year. I'm gonna achieve my goals. I'm gonna figure out this affiliate marketing. I'm gonna make lots of money. And then what I did is I basically went on Facebook, started following all these people. I learned of Spencer Meekum and Jonathan Lucas and Rachel S. Lee, and I got a list of all these people. Who else? James Hurst, a couple other people that I basically started following them on Facebook, joining all their groups, and then I noticed all these Facebook ads popping up from all these other different people who had courses on how to do affiliate marketing, how to make money online. And I was just getting flooded. I was signing up for a free course here, a free course here, a free course there, and I was just information overload, paralysis by analysis, whatever you want to call it. There was just too much, okay? So basically what I've decided to do is I've decided to, and this is moving on to the 5th step. So 4th step is when there's that information overload, you got to stop, okay? And you need to just focus on one person, one course at a time, one thing that you can master, and then you can move on to something else. So the 5th step is, I think, very important for me, especially in this arena. Like I said, I have confidence in myself that I can figure things out. I've done it in the blog world. I've done it in the YouTube world. I can do it in the affiliate marketing world. I know I can do it. However, I can do it a lot quicker if I have a mentor, okay? Somebody who can tell me, look, this is the stuff to avoid. This is the stuff you need to be doing. It'll just save me a lot of time. There's a lot of lessons I don't have to learn on my own. I can just pay some money. I'm actually in a position now, which is nice, where I'm bringing in enough money on some businesses where I can actually reinvest that in learning more. Whereas 10 years ago, if I wanted to buy a course from Spencer Mecham and I found out it was almost $900, I'd never buy it. But now, Spencer Mecham's course is something I'm purchasing, and that's going to help me. It's basically a barrier to entry, because out of 100 people who see that course, 98 aren't going to buy it because they're like, that's $900. Well, I'm one of the two who's going to buy it. And because I buy that course, I'm going to be catapulted into a different kind of sphere of knowledge and understanding. And the time I'm going to save learning from him is just going to be incredible. So last piece of advice is a mentor. Pick a mentor, okay? Whether that's, and probably have to do with whatever niche you're in. I'm going to be focusing more on the affiliate marketing and the ClickFunnels, Builderall kind of arena. And so it makes perfect sense for me to have my mentor be Spencer Mecham, because if you don't know who he is, he's like one of the top affiliates for ClickFunnels. He's got like a couple new cars they paid for, makes a ton of money, but just really smart about things. Another mentor that I'm kind of looking at is Rachel S. Lee. She's, again, very successful with ClickFunnels. But again, I'm focusing on one mentor. It's going to be Spencer. I'm going to learn from him. So I'd encourage you guys to do the same, okay? So let me just reread this list of 5 things to remember as you're starting affiliate. And again, these are principles and kind of guiding things you need to follow and understand before you begin. And I'll do another video because there's more, okay? There's a lot more. But 1, this is a marathon, okay? Be in it for the long haul and know that there will be success at the end of the tunnel. You can run a marathon. It might suck and it'd be really hard, but you can do it. You just got to know that you got to put in the hard work. You might need to put in the hard work for a year or 2 or 3, but if you surround yourself with good people, have a good mentor, you can cut that time back drastically and be really successful. Number 2, be a creator, not a consumer. You're watching this video, what I want you to do if you're done with it, stop and create your own piece of content. Go create your own funnel. Start your own email list. Just do something, okay? Be a creator and not a consumer. I've always believed in this principle too. My wife would be on her phone, or I'd be on my phone, and I would feel justified because I'd always be creating something. Creating a post on Instagram, or creating a post on Facebook, creating a blog, whereas maybe she was consuming more. So be a creator. Creators make the money, and they make the difference in the world. So 3rd one is to start. You gotta start. Just say today's the day, and double your efforts. Whatever you think you need to do, double them, okay? Whatever time you're willing to give, double it, because you'll get there twice as faster. 4th, you need to, again, information overload, don't let it happen, okay? Try to pick one thing you're going for, maybe one affiliate avenue, one course, just pick one, okay? There's 47 voices. I got 6 kids. When I come in during the day, they'll ask me 7 different questions, and it's just like, whoa. I felt that way when I started following all these people on affiliate marketing. There's so many successful people, and they're all doing great things, but I just need to listen to one. And that brings me to the last point is, when you have that one, okay, have that mentor, be willing to sacrifice and learn from them. I was listening to a testimonial of Spencer Mecham, and it's this 18-year-old kid. He's like, you know what? I dropped the $900 in that course, and I had to borrow the money from my parents, but it was so worth it. So he had to sacrifice. His parents had to sacrifice. Do whatever you can. So I'm gonna put a link in the description to Spencer Mecham's affiliate course. It's like an affiliate 2.0 course. He had a 1.0, but this 2.0 is incredible. The people who have followed this have been able to be the last 5 car winners on ClickFunnels. So it'll apply to all of affiliate marketing, but for me specifically, I think it's important because he's targeting the product that I want to target. So pick that mentor. I'll leave a link in the description for his course. Also, a link for ClickFunnels. That's something I'm doing some trainings right now with Spencer, going through those. So if you don't have a ClickFunnels trial, if you don't know what it is, click this button. You can learn more incredible stuff that'll help your business, help you crush it. Okay, guys, this is 2019. It's gonna happen for me. I'm behind the camera. I'm creating this. I've learned so much in these last 3 days that are principles that are going to guide me going forward. I feel really good knowing that I have a mentor. I know my niche. I want to specifically focus on affiliate marketing with the ClickFunnels. That's what I want to do. So I challenge you guys to click that subscribe button. If you want to follow along, again, I'm going to be sharing principles I'm learning along the way. And this is kind of a different perspective because look, I'm just like you, okay? I have made a few affiliate sales on my other list, but I'm not an expert yet, but I'm gonna learn day by day, and you can do it too. So let's join this journey together, and leave me a comment. If you have any questions, I'd be glad to answer them. Reach out to me, and thanks for tuning in, guys, and best of luck in 2019. Let's crush it, okay? See ya.